Up until today, nothing has been difficult, only time consuming, but that all changed with a simple task of just trying to grind out these 1-inch aluminum square tubing pieces that need to be removed for the air conditioning. They're welded in, tack welded in about every 3-4 inches. And then you have to grind out the tack welds and pop both of these pieces out in order to mount your air conditioning up into the plenum. So this gets holes popped in it, hits the plenum. So here's the little mini gen from Vintage Air. And then these are supposed to pop up through the dash, up flush when you cut out that square tubing, which is why you would cut these holes. I'm having an absolute beast of a time trying to get that tubing out of there. I've tried pneumatic grinders. I've tried this, tried a little mini Sawzall. The only thing I've been able to make any progress with is this little Milwaukee 3-inch grinder tool. But even that, I'm about an hour and a half in and have made no progress in trying to get that thing out because the 3-inch is too small. The 4-inch tools are all too big. So right now what I'm thinking is if I could 3D print an extension to go onto here, I could actually mount it below that 1-inch tubing, use the 3D printed extension to pop up through the dash, and then that whole AC would just hang an inch lower. It's in the passenger footwell, so I don't know that I really care. But that's where we're at today. Like I said, there's been really nothing difficult on this car, only time consuming until today. But this is both time consuming and difficult. It's just you can't get tools under there and you can't get your body under there. Looking for some advice.